Imagine you're just starting to learn English. You know some words. You can say hello, maybe thank you, but when you try to speak to someone in real life, you freeze.
That's normal. Many beginners think they need big grammar and long sentences. But the truth is, you only need a few everyday phrases to survive and connect.
Exactly. If you know 20 or 30 common phrases, you can already do so much. Say hello, order food, ask for help, buy something, and have short conversations.
So in today's lesson, we'll teach you everyday English phrases for beginners. These are short, simple, and super useful in real life.
By the end, you'll be able to greet people, be polite, ask questions, and respond confidently, even with basic English.
Welcome to English Zone, the place where real-life English becomes simple.
Our goal is to make you comfortable speaking right away, not after years of study.
Let's start with greetings. The most common phrase is hi or hello. Easy, right? But don't stop there. You can also say, how are you?
And the answer can be simple. Say, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good. You don't need big answers. Short and polite is enough.
Another useful one, nice to meet you. Use this when you meet someone for the first time. And the reply is, nice to meet you too.
Let's try a mini exchange. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Nice to meet you.
Simple, natural, and very common.
Next, polite phrases. The three magic words are please, thank you, and sorry.
For example, a coffee, please. Thank you so much. Sorry, I'm late. These tiny words make a big difference. People will see you as polite and friendly.
And don't forget, when someone says thank you, you can answer, you're welcome. That's the basic polite loop.
Now let's talk about everyday situations. Imagine you're shopping. Useful phrases include, how much is this? Or, can I try this on?
Or at a restaurant, could I have water, please? Can I see the menu? Very short, very useful.
And when you don't understand, don't panic. Just say, sorry, I don't understand. Or, could you repeat that, please?
That's powerful. Many beginners stay silent when they don't understand, but it's better to use a simple phrase. People will usually slow down or repeat for you.
Another important everyday phrase is asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? You can use this anywhere, on the street, in a shop, at the airport.
And if you're lost, say, where's the bathroom? Or where's the bus stop? These are lifesavers.
Everyday English is also about social connection. Use phrases like, what's your name? Where are you from? Do you like music?
Notice they're all short questions, and you can answer with one sentence. My name is Anna. I'm from Brazil. Yes, I like music.
Another great phrase is, I don't know. It's honest, simple, and natural. Beginners sometimes feel shy to say it, but natives use it all the time.
And don't forget, I think so and I don't think so. These are easy ways to agree or disagree politely.
Let's practice a short role play. Sophie, you be a new student.
Hi, I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from France. And you?
I'm from Canada. Do you like movies?
Yes, I do. I love action movies.
See? That whole conversation used only beginner phrases, but it already feels natural.
And here's a tip. Practice these phrases every day. Repeat them out loud. The more automatic they feel, the more confident you'll be in real conversations.
You can even practice with yourself. For example, imagine you're in a cafe. Say, hello, could I have a tea, please? Then answer yourself. Sure, here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. It might feel silly, but it works. The goal is to make your mouth comfortable with these sounds.
Another group of useful phrases is for time. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Or, see you tomorrow. See you later. These are everyday expressions you'll hear all the time.
And don't forget, little connectors like, really? That's great. Oh no. These tiny words make conversations feel more natural and emotional. Exactly. If someone says, I got a new job, you can reply, that's great. If someone says, I'm sick today, you can reply, oh no, I'm sorry.
So everyday English is not about long grammar. It's about short, clear, polite, human phrases.
Let's recap some of the most useful ones. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Please, thank you. Sorry, you're welcome. How much is this? Could I have? I don't understand. Excuse me. Can you help me? Where is? What's your name? Where are you from? Do you like? I don't know. I think so. I don't think so. See you later? That's great. Oh no.
That's already more than enough to survive in English every day.
And here's one last mindset tip. Don't be afraid to repeat. Beginners often worry, I already said thank you. Should I say it again? The answer is yes. Being polite never hurts.
And remember, even if your grammar isn't perfect, if you use these phrases clearly, people will understand you.
Communication first, perfection later.
Exactly. Step by step, phrase by phrase, your English will grow.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, write your favorite everyday English phrase. Which one do you use the most?
And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life English tips you can use right away.
Speak a little every day, and soon these phrases will feel natural.
And once they're natural, English conversations will feel easier and more fun.
Daniel and Sophie.
See you next time.